Is your BMW X5 Apple CarPlay acting up, or perhaps you are wondering why it is not as seamless as a Honda system? Studies show that nearly 40% of infotainment connectivity issues are actually caused by outdated phone software. Let us break down the diagnostics to get your connection back on track. Start by forgetting the device on both your phone and the car, then perform a hard reboot of the iDrive system. Most persistent problems stem from outdated firmware or restricted screen time settings on your iPhone. Always ensure your VPN is disabled and check for official BMW software updates via the connected Drive store. While BMW offers deeper integration, it is more complex than the straightforward interface found in most Honda models. Data shows that software conflicts far outweigh hardware failures in modern luxury infotainment systems. If problems persist, a dealer-level, eye-level software flash is usually the final step to resolve communication errors. Keep an MFI-certified cable and a basic OBD-I scanner in your glove box for quick troubleshooting. Remember, in modern luxury vehicles, software is the new mechanical, so keep those updates current. Thanks for watching, and check the link below for more BMW troubleshooting guides.